ape of the Buddha. We will fight. I did it once, and I will defeat you again.
You needed my help the first time. You won't trick us again, you magician. Fight then!
Don't do that in here! Oh, someone! If you arrest that pig, they'll have to stop!
Good idea. Take your hands off him or there'll be real trouble.
How often must I tell you no violence? Don't prove the Taoist right. Highness, we didn't lie. These tricks have nothing to do with Buddhism.
And Buddhism! You were aided. I'm a fool, yes, but this is a great nation. You tried to deceive us. You insulted us all!
The Taoist is the cheat.
Master, where are you?
In here.
Now what's happening?
Oh, no.
No violence, remember?
Sorry, hello, Pixie. Hello, Sandy.
Oh, it's him. Monkey's still invisible, is he? Happy to see that you're better.
I begin to lose patience with you.
Your Majesty is altogether too forgiving and patient, with great respect. They turn your throne room into a battlefield. Their awful behavior leaves you no choice. You must ban the Buddhists.
Is that what you think?
Oh, oi, ban? Not when you're deceiving the king.
We know all about you. Madame Mam Mao has told us everything.
That silly, foolish creature. She's too old and stupid.
Stupid or not, Carrot Nose, now we know. I know what you are, and I can prove it. You're no holy man, you magician, you thief. You stole what you know from her.
You did?
No, of course not, no.
Fibber! You fibber!
Sandy, don't you making a fool of yourself. Keep your mouth shut down.
Sorry. All right, now ready for you.
Coming. Ah! He's here! The wonderful wizard. How's my pretty boy? Rather older? I'll bet you're just as wicked as you ever were, though. Cruel and heartless. Has been a liar!
No.
Told you so! Liar! What use was my magic? You stole it from me, and here you are trying the same confidence tricks. A heart broken for no good reason. Was it money? Is that what you wanted? I'd have given you that, but you magicians, you want power!
What's that? Have you been lying to me?
Remember the first level of reality, Let's see what you become. Nothing nice, I'll be bound. Here's that clock of mine. Now let's see. Oh, I see you.
Oh, he's visible again.
I'm back.
Here I am
Monkey!
Let's put this yes.
Monkey, I hate you more every time that I see you. It's you. You've ruined my chance to take over this kingdom. And you, fool. Magic and wisdom are opposites. You'll surrender, yet you'll all come begging to me. Come, priest.
Oh, no, stop that.
All right, Master, I'll save you. Wait until I catch that fake tower.
Yes, now, time to stop playing. where he is. He's got that pixie, so what on earth's he messing about for now?
It's an ugly pig! Save me!
And I'll save you, angel. There. Run away.
The baby just turned into a pig! Oh, help! Save me, someone!
Oi, just a minute.
No.
It's all right, just relax.
Trespassing. I'll find
You don't get hurt. Put it away. Look, let me explain. Stop it. Wait. Don't. If you just hang on, let me explain. I can't stand it. Pixie, come over here and give me a hand.
No, don't fight!
Sunlight. What is it?
Sunlight.
You made sure to give the poison one to the priest.
Don't argue. Hurry. Well, fast as you can.
A little trouble.
I want the girl.
You do? Then try and take her.
My lord.
Dann will become legal.
My son, you're not true.
I've no other choice.
That's right.
To the rescue, because he'll kill Lord Gold the moment they're married.
Highly probable.
Yes. No need to hurt him anymore. For marriage, my love.